The Western Cape has been awash with heavy rains for much of the past week, and flooding has become a real issue in some places. Some viewers have been sending in pictures showing flooding in their areas, and here's one such picture showing the situation early on Friday at a garage in Pau. Farms have not been spared the wet weather either, especially around the Worcester area. Now, the story doesn't end here as we take a look at the latest satellite picture. We still have lots of cloud across southwestern South Africa, dumping a lot of rain over these areas. And as if that was not enough, we have yet another cold front which is set to increase the chances of rain across the Western Cape as we go towards Saturday. So here's a look ahead to your Saturday on our Futurecast map. That cold front is going to maintain cloudy, wet and windy weather across much of the Western Cape as it continues to move eastwards. It's going to be mostly sunny for the rest of the country, and we are expecting yet another cold front to hit the south coast towards the end of Saturday. The South African Weather Service has issued a number of weather alerts, a warning for high seas across much of the south coast from Cape Point into the East London area. We also have a watch for gale force winds extending from Cape Point into Coffee Bay. A watch has also been issued for high fire danger wherever you see that shade of amber across eastern South Africa. And now for a closer look at the weather in your area. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm across KZN, Durban peaking at 26 degrees. Partly cloudy and dry weather is forecast across much of the interior of the Eastern Cape, but rain is forecast from East London extending down into Port Elizabeth and pushing further inland into the Adelaide area. A high of 17 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. Cooler for Plettenberg Bay and George. Light rain is forecast across the Garden Route extending into the southwestern parts of the country, where Cape Town will also see wet weather with a high of 15 degrees. It's going to be wet as well in Frederick with a high of 17. Chilly for Springbok. Wet weather continues here on Saturday. Mostly sunny over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, temperatures lying mostly in the lower 20s. A chilly morning is forecast for Bloemfontein. A high of 21 is forecast here for your Saturday afternoon. It's going to be mostly sunny across the northwest with just a few patches of cloud overhead. Temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 20s. Sunny across much of Limpopo. It's going to be particularly hot as we go towards the Lowveld area, where temperatures will be in the lower 30s. A warm 28 from Bombela, cooler over the Mpumalanga Highveld, cooler as well as we go towards Gauteng. Highs around 22 for Johannesburg, Vereeniging and Soweto, 24 for the high in Pretoria. Strong winds are forecast on Saturday from the south coast into the central interior. Moderate winds across the northeast and along the east coast. Fresh northwesterlies for the Cape Peninsula. Looking ahead to Sunday, wet weather is forecast along the south and the east coast. It's going to be dry in Cape Town and sunny in Gauteng. A dry Monday is forecast for the whole country.
News that moves. eNCA.com.